kooti ekanyanya nga ze okuyo omusango wa Bobby Janti babasindise. Ekibuuzo, poliisi n'ebitongole by'okwerinda birina olukusa okukwata ku buli muntu, naye bino ebiyinza okuyita ebiringa nga kidnap, ebiringa nga bya abduction, bino birina engeri byennyamizaamu abantu. Lwaki abantu bakwatibwa in a proper way?
Twabagaana berets ezo ne tubagamba z'amagye. Why are they still wearing them?
Anira tunategeera nsonga emukwasizza.
Do you want me to tell you or you are going to tell me?
Mbuulira kale.
I have told you. Twabagaana berets. Tetwazibagaana. Ne tubagamba zaaki? You see, don't call trouble before trouble troubles you. Some of those boys in Nup have failed to understand that there is a government here. Waliwo kiki? Government. Etagenda kutoleratinga your nonsense. That is the starting point. Before the abduction is what? That is the starting point. Twina government wano efuga. Gwe byoyagala okola. Byonna whatever nonsense you want to do, oba oyagala kwekalakasiza mu kubo, oba oyagala kwokya bipiira, linda ng'eno evuddeko. Is that hard to do? Is that hard? Gwe nga tebannakuadaptinga Simon. You think they don't know you? You are more popular than those boys. Why haven't you been arrested? Why isn't Smith a very powerful man in this country? Smith not arrested. Why me? I'm not abducted. Why? Because I don't engage in crime. When you engage in crime, and let me tell you, buli omu asobola okukwatibwa any day, any moment, any time.
Okukwala no si kubi. N'ekyo tugamba, wandiikira abantu abo nti present yourself to police at this particular time, weba failing okujja mu bakwate.
You will do that when you are the head of intelligence. Some of these operations are intelligence led. Are intelligence what? Even in the US, even where you can be arrested anywhere.
Anyhow.